Hello guys, so welcome back to another video of data engineering with Animesh, and we are going to solve the next problem in a PANDAS LeetCode series. So let's get to the problem. So the question is find users with valid emails. If you remember, we have solved this question with SQL in our SQL LeetCode series, but as of now, we are going to solve it with using PANDAS function. So there's only one table users with user ID, name and mail. User ID is the primary key. The table contains information about the users signed up in the website. Some emails are invalid. Write a solution to find the users who have valid emails. A valid email has a prefix and a domain name, where the prefix name is a string that may contain upper or lowercase, underscore, period, or dash. The prefix name must start with a letter. So basically, the prefix can be animesh 123 underscore 45, something like this. The prefix name must always start with a letter, means this cannot be the prefix like one animation. No, this is not a prefix. Okay. And the domain should always be at leetcode.com. Return the result table in any order. So order is not important. So see, this is the main data frame. I will now call it as a data frame because we are dealing with pandas so that it won't confuse you. And see which mails are valid. I think the first one is valid. Okay, it is there in the answer in the output. Second is not valid because it does not contain the suffix, means at domain name. Third one I think is valid. Fourth one is valid. Fifth one is not valid because contains hash which is not given in a condition. Sixth is not valid because it has gmail.com. So likewise, you have to give only the valid mail ID. Now, here you will use regular expression matching. Expression matching, okay. And which function does Panda has to do that? It is str dot match, and in the bracket you will write r, and then after this you will write the expression, means the wild case expression that you are going to write. So it is str.match and preceding is with suppose users.str.match, means basically the user's mail. The column in which this wild case character expression has to be applied, or this wild case has to be applied. So this is the syntax. You just have to remember the syntax because with every new question there would be a new condition and you have to change your expression according to the question. So okay, so this is the condition as of now. Now let's see how we will get to onto this. So I have already written this expression for you. So it is valid email df. This is the new data frame which will be storing the result. Users is the current data frame. And this is how I showed you the syntax. Users mail str.match, because mail is the column on which we are uh, validating basically for the correct expression. Now see, this symbol signifies where is that? Yeah, starting with. Starting with. This symbol signifies one or many appearances. Oh, sorry, zero or many appearances, not one. Zero or many appearances. And you can note it down somewhere so that you don't forget whenever you have to use this expression. This right end with. Okay. So see, the first scenario is consider this, that the first letter should be an alphabet, either lower or uppercase. So this would be, that would be taken care by this thing, this symbol and A to Z or smaller A to Z. Now after the first letter, you can have any combination of letter, digits, dot, dash, and underscore. So that is given by this second, what you say, the second part of this expression. Now you would be wondering what is this? The backslash. Backslash is to avoid the special characters because I think dot and dash is special characters. So the engine might confuse it with something else. So you just give a backslash dot, backslash dash. So likewise, I'm removing this. Now there comes the ending part. At the rate leetcode.com. It should end with at the rate leetcode.com. So this is the entire expression that we are matching, and the function in pandas is str.match. Okay, remember this function. And after that, the result of this would be stored in valid emails df. So basically only those email ID would be stored that are validating this expression or that are valid emails. And then we are returning valid emails df. Now if we run this, we are getting the correct output. So the only thing in this question that you have to remember is the name of the function, which is str.match, and how you are using the expression. So I've already told few important what you say points which are used in expression matching, like starting with, ending with, zero to many, and use of how to involve a special character with a backslash. So I hope you would have understood this question. Another simple question, but a good question to build your logic or build your basics in pandas. So keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.